Asus and Microsoft unveiling the ROG Xbox Ally and Nintendo launching the highly anticipated Switch 2, the handheld gaming space is entering a new phase. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. The Nintendo Switch 2 is already earning a 4-star review for its improved performance, larger display, and versatility. While the ROG Xbox Ally is a handheld console designed to bring Xbox and PC gaming to your fingertips, but it's not out yet. If we talk about the prices, the Switch 2 is already in stores available at $449.99, with bundles like the Mario Kart World Edition available at a similar price. The ROG Xbox Ally is expected to land by the end of 2025, with pricing rumored between $499 and $599, making it a bit expensive. Nintendo made a leap with the Switch 2 7.9-inch LCD, which is larger than Switch 1, with 1080p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The ROG Xbox Ally has a slightly smaller 7-inch display, but it has Gorilla Glass and anti-reflective coating, suggesting a more durable premium feel. Now, storage is one area where the ROG Ally pulls ahead, offering 512GB of built-in space with support for standard SD cards up to 2 TB, whereas the Switch 2 doubles Switch 1's capacity to 256GB, but it only takes micro SD Express cards, and a 256GB card could cost you an additional $50. Where the Switch 2 shines is in its flexibility. It supports handheld, tabletop, and docked TV play with 4K HDR output, while the ROG Xbox Ally lacks a dedicated dock or detachable controllers, but it has cloud-based multiplayer and portability. What the Ally does offer is Xbox Play Anywhere support. This means your compatible Xbox and PC games progress, and all can be anywhere in any device. And if you add an Xbox Game Pass subscription, you'll have hundreds of games ready to play. Meanwhile, the Switch 2 offers backward compatibility with most Nintendo Switch games and introduces Game Share, letting users share and play with friends. Now, if you prefer a plug-and-play gaming experience with Nintendo's exclusives, Switch 2 is the safer choice. On the other hand, if you're already deep into the Xbox or PC world and want a way to take your entire library on the go, the ROG Xbox Ally looks like a good decision. So, what's your favorite up till now? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.